Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Lime color, purple color, black color, brown color, green color, grey color, purple color, olive color, dark blue color, red color, violet color, yellow color. Let's try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. A for animals. B for butterfly. C for candy. D for duck. E for egg. F for fish. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. G for goat. H for hen. I for insect. J for jacket. K for kiwi. L for lollipop. Number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G, H, I, J, K, L. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Red color, yellow color, purple color, pink color, violet color, light green color, black color, dark blue color, brown color. Let's try to learn some alphabets and numbers. M, N, O, P. M for moon. N for nurse. O for ox. P for princess. Q for queen. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. R R for ring. S for shop. T for tiger. U for university. V for violin. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. Number 21. Number 22. M N O P Q R S T U V. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.